Okay, so you built this facility. Tell us about the facility. What was it like?
It's not a very big building, but it's here on our property. We're kind of out of town. It's not like high regulation. The county is kind of rural where we are. We're 10 minutes from town, from Chattanooga. So they kind of aren't as strict, and the cost of it is not going to be as extensive as it would have been for us to go in town and buy some commercial space or rent a commercial space. So we had basically a covered carport that was her mother's. We kept her mother's camper in it, and I built into it. I took half of it and said, okay, this is just my laundry room. And we pulled the power, pulled water and everything off the house originally.
We got all the permits to do that.
Then just kind of built this it's about 600 square feet that we started with. And it was 12 machines that we had set up. And with the hotel job that we were talking about, that got me to looking at some bigger equipment. And so I, again, was looking for used equipment, and I found a few sets of large commercial stuff, dryers and washers, and just kind of combine them into what we already had out here. So we've got, it's a pretty good little setup. And we got to see real quick that little 600 square foot of just a washroom wasn't enough. So that's when we finished the rest of the building out. And
now it's 20 by 60 or 20 by 36.
Yeah. So it's bigger, but we're not using that
as much. Yeah. But he found like Milner washing machines. He got a 100-pound dryer, a 75-pound dryer, a couple more 45-pound dryers. And he installed all of this. Three-phase power. He did it all.
Yeah. It was a little bit of a learning experience too, but, you can YouTube it. If you don't know everything about something, maybe a few pieces, but you can always YouTube it. Or I've got a lot of friends that work in different trades. So just say, hey, how do I do this? Oh yeah, just, step 1, step 2, step 3. That's all you got to do.
Shane, if I had to choose one word right now to describe you, it'd be probably stallion is the word that's coming to mind right now. Just impressive all the way around right now.